One of them lawyer's girlfriend. I mean, her butt is just so small. We're talking slim pickings, girl. What up, Aisha? Where is it? I don't even see it. Look, girl. She's just so white. I like small butts and I cannot lie. You honkies can't deny. When a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a big thing in your face, I get sick. Cause I like a toothpick. I'll beat that booty with a stick. Even the jeans she's wearing, her pants are almost tearing. No, baby, I want a flat booty. That's tutti fruity. The honkies tried to warn me that butt you got is ooh, so corny. Ooh, chicken smooth skin. You say you wanna get in my old? Well, peck me, cause you ain't that average chickadee.
Okay.
Hell with romancing. I'll take her wallet dancing. Rich, bitch. I'll dig for her money ditch. So tired of ebony. Black butts are not my theme. If you ask me what my flavor is, I'll tell you it's vanilla ice cream. So honky, yeah. Does your girlfriend have a dairy? Yeah. Well, shrink it, so I can get right down and dink it. Baby got jacked. Baby got jacked. I like 'em flat and small. And when I'm in the mall, I just can't help myself. I'm doing the dog pound call. Woo, 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 woo. Don't like a sister who farts while playing Twister. I wish those beans didn't miss her. Even Uncle Ben would fist her.